I'm CJ with Starter Builds, and today I'm going to show you how to build these really cool DIY tapered planters on Starter Builds.
So again, all you're going to need is obviously the plans, unless you can follow along via his video, 1-inch brad nails, 1 1/4 exterior screws, and then your 5 planters or pickets. There's going to be 5/8, 5.5 wide, 6 foot long. You can get these at Lowe's or Home Depot. So stay tuned for the rest of the build. Alright, so per the plans, we need to cut all of our sideboards. I got sideboard A, B, C, D, and E. They're all going to be cut at 3-degree miter, all different lengths. But I'm going to go ahead and start assembling these per the plans below. Alright gang, so we've officially built out all of our different planter boxes. Man, it is dark. Let's get some light in here. There we go. It's a little bit better. Okay, cool. So now we're going to go ahead and use our leftover fence pickets here. We're going to follow our detailed plans, cut our legs to width on the table saw. You will need a table saw for this. But essentially we're going to cut those with the 3-degree, with the table saw. We'll then use our miter saw at the 3 degrees here to create our tapered legs. So we'll have one, again, you're going to follow the plans. You have one tapered here, one tapered here, and then you'll have ones that link in the middle, and then we'll put our 45-degree miters on there and we'll create the top. So stay tuned for the rest of the build. This is a very DIY friendly project, and again, you can make a lot of money doing this and selling these on Facebook Marketplace, Etsy, local areas, farmers markets, word of mouth. So stay tuned for the rest of the build. right, gang, so we've officially pretty much finished the project here. As you can see, it's tapered. And now all we need to do is fill in the top parts here. These are going to be 2 inches wide and then 45-degree miters to connect them all. And then we'll sand it down and we'll give it some stain or paint. Very DIY friendly project. Again, hopefully you guys learned something from this video, and hopefully it showed you that you guys can go out and create anything you want that you put your mind to. All right, gang, so here is the final result. These, again, are the tall tapered planters. These are awesome. They're gonna look great in your front yard, backyard, on your porch, or if you're looking to get into selling woodworking items, this is a great DIY beginner project. So stay tuned for the rest of my videos. Be sure to like, comment, and share. And also comment down below what you're currently working on. I'd love to learn what you guys are building. So thanks again for watching. Subscribe, like, turn on those bell notifications. CJ with Starter Builds, out.